Starting something is strangely hard sometimes. Not the work itself, just the starting. You look at the task, pause. You think about doing it, delay. For no dramatic reason, it's just this tiny mental resistance. And the longer you wait, the heavier it feels, until the task itself becomes stressful. Momentum isn't killed by difficulty, it is killed by hesitation. And hesitation usually comes from friction, not effort.